Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford F-150 and the Volvo XC90 crash test results. We will delve into how these two very different vehicles perform in various safety evaluations. It is essential to understand these ratings to make informed decisions about vehicle safety. We will examine data from both the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, highlighting their respective strengths and overall safety profiles. The Ford F-150, a best-selling truck, demonstrates robust safety performance. It consistently receives a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. In Insurance Institute for Highway Safety evaluations, the F-150 often earns a top safety pick award, particularly for its Super Crew versions. Recent tests show good performance in critical areas like small overlap front and updated side impact protection, reflecting Ford's commitment to occupant safety in its popular pickup. The Volvo XC90 is renowned for its exceptional safety standards. It consistently achieves a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Furthermore, the XC90 frequently earns the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's highest accolade, the Top Safety Pick Plus Award. This luxury SUV demonstrates excellent performance across various crashworthiness tests, including small overlap front, side impact, and roof strength, underscoring Volvo's long-standing dedication to pioneering vehicle safety. In summary, both the Ford F-150 and the Volvo XC90 demonstrate strong safety credentials, each earning 5-star overall ratings from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The Volvo XC90 often distinguishes itself with the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's highest Top Safety Pick Plus Award, reflecting its advanced safety engineering. While both offer excellent protection, their distinct designs as a large truck and a luxury SUV naturally present different crash dynamics, which are important considerations for any driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.